Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and centering the area you need. Tap or click to drop a pin where you want altitude. This creates a fixed reference. Once done, switch to satellite or terrain view to confirm the pin sits on natural ground and not a rooftop or bridge. Make sure to pan and zoom until landmarks align, because accuracy depends on exact placement. This first step reduces later guesswork and prepares you for the measurement tools. Now get the elevation reading. On desktop, right-click the pin and choose what's here, then read the coordinates card where elevation often appears. On mobile, tap the pin and pull up the info sheet. Scroll to find altitude if available. If you need a cross-section, export or open the path in Google Earth and view the elevation profile. These steps explain how Maps surfaces elevation data and when to switch to Earth for more detailed altitude graphs and profiles. Finish by verifying the altitude. Compare the map's value with Google Earth or a handheld GPS to confirm. If numbers differ, remember they can vary by datum, rounding, and data source. Use the most reliable one for critical work. If you don't see elevation, make sure location and app permissions are enabled, update the app, or reload the map. If the pin sits on a structure instead of ground, move it slightly and recheck. Small adjustments often fix incorrect altitude readings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.